Sapakan ko. Lipat mo to. Mabiglang tumapo. Madenga bigla yung XPS. What? Fucker, you're taking my video, man. It's good, man. Bagong luto. It's supposed to be Bicol Express. Pero it tastes like ginatang baboy. What?
Ganda yung recorded video mo
What? Yan. Turn it around, bro.
1 month po, putas na tayo. Hanggang bahay. Walang